Okay, hi guys, we've got a Stanley padlock here, one of the quick set series, and this is another Amazon purchase, and the reason is because it's got anti-pick pins. Now if anybody's watched The Lockpicking Lawyer, which I'm sure you have, he manages to pick these in about a minute or so. Do not expect that from me, but I will try my best. So I'm using top of the keyway tension, and initially we get a click off of pin 2 and a little bit of a false set. That's a click off of pin 3. And I'm having to kind of pick off the warding because it is a slightly power-centric keyway. That was a pick off of pin 4 and pin 1, and we're open. I don't know how fast that was, but I'm quite chuffed with that, to be honest. They're really heavy padlocks. I mean, it feels very, very secure. Obviously, it can be picked in a very short amount of time. But yeah, there you go. That's the Stanley 50mm, the S742 004 anti-pick pins, and there we go.